Hello everyone, and welcome back. You guys watched me build this stool. I brought it up here, but it still has the semi-gloss coat on it. And if you remember when I did the table and the other stool, I switched that over to satin because it was too shiny. So I'm going to put the coat of satin on this one, and this project will be all done. This is not my brush of choice for doing this, but I didn't have any brushes and I had to go up and get one. And this is the closest I could find to what I really wanted. I have a load of laundry going in the background, that's what you can hear. Right now it's about 8 below outside. Last night it got down to 23 below. That was the coldest that I saw on the on my thermostat thing. And up at the tent, or not, wasn't at the tent, but maybe 45 minutes from the tent, it was 32 below zero last night. That was actual air temperature. Well, this one's all done. We'll just let that all dry now and dull up a bit. It's starting to over here already. And hopefully it'll match the other stool pretty well. Well, Melissa, she's actually at work right now. I normally went home yesterday, but this week is so cold for work that there's not going to be a whole lot of work because everything I've got right now is outside. And there's supposed to be a snowstorm coming up here tonight, and for this area, along with some of the lake effect snow, could get anywhere from 4 to 8 inches. And I mean, I'll believe it when I see it, but there's stuff I want to do back at the heated workshop, but I decided to stay up an extra day, and then I can clear the snow using the tractor and the snowblower, hopefully, if we get that much. Like I said, I don't believe it until I see it. Melissa has been practicing doing, for stained glass. She got practice pieces that were clear glass, and she's been cutting them and then putting the, I think it's called foil on there, and then the flux, and then coming back in and doing the actual soldering. So that's been kind of fun. She's been practicing around with that. And this time of year, there's not a whole lot you can do outside. Well, right now I'm going to run into town here. Melissa's coming back on her. She had to run up north farther today for work, and now she's going back to the office. So I'm going to meet her on her way down, and we're going to have some lunch. And then I think I'm going to get a tarp put over this tractor so I don't have to shovel the snow or sweep the snow off of it if it does snow. Well, just got done with lunch with Melissa, and now I'm heading back to the house. Oh, Melissa just got home from work a little bit ago, so I talked to her for a little bit here. Now I shut it down. I'll let it cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to toss a tarp over it. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. I pretty much just wanted to get it tarped so that the seat isn't full of snow tomorrow. I actually got about half the tractor. I got it bungeed down to it, so it should hold pretty good. The second stool matches perfectly. I'll see you guys on the next video. Still no snow.